What's up, guys? This morning, scrolling through my Facebook, I read a post from my friend Michaela Degan, and she was talking about this new nail art trend, pull string. I have already seen this kind of art on paper, so why not doing it on nails, right? So I wanted to do my part and spread the word to all of you and make a quick tutorial. Before I start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, click on notification so you don't miss all the upcoming cool videos. Hope you enjoy, let's start!